What if the real reason airships disappeared has nothing to do with safety and everything to do with what they could reach? The airship advantage. Early airships could travel thousands of miles, carry massive cargo, land almost anywhere, and float at low speeds over places airplanes can't go. And unlike modern aircraft, they didn't need runways. They were perfect for exploring the North Pole and could refuel almost anywhere. One of the first expeditions to the North Pole was done using an airship. These airships could even land on water. This is just for entertainment purposes and is not to be taken as fact or actual reporting. The North Pole problem. But here's the strange part. Right when airships became powerful enough to reach the true North Pole easily, every major nation suddenly signed treaties limiting travel there. No fly zones, no expeditions, almost like they didn't want people seeing what's actually there. Other civilizations, ice wall, were airships getting too close to whatever lies beyond the ice? Ancient civilizations, a hidden landmass, something our maps used to show until the maps mysteriously changed. After flying became commercialized and restricted, something classified for the elite. Whereas before, during the airship's time, people had free and easy travel, allowing for exploration and mapping done by the common man. The Hindenburg explanation. And yes, people bring up the Hindenburg, but it used hydrogen, not helium, because of a shortage. A shortage that conveniently forced them into using a flammable gas. And one disaster was enough to kill an entire technology. Sabotage, regression. Since airships vanished, we've actually lost capabilities. The giants of the past were more advanced than today's blimps, almost like we regressed instead of advancing. It makes you think who is writing our history books, and how could we possibly fact check them? So the question is, did they stop airships or stop us from reaching something? Again, this is all just entertainment, but the timing is suspicious. Most people have no idea, but while we struggle on the surface, the world's elite have been quietly building underground cities for decades. Start with the Denver airport tunnels, billions over budget, strange murals, a runway shaped like a symbol nobody wants to talk about. And beneath it, a maze of tunnels and blast-proof rooms big enough to house tens of thousands of people. Then there's Subtropolis, a 55 million square foot underground complex in Missouri. Temperature controlled, food storage, data vaults, entire businesses operating like a hidden underground city. That's just the part they admit exists. And the billionaires, they're not waiting around. Private companies are building luxury doomsday bunkers with swimming pools, hydroponic farms, medical suites, and AI-operated security. Some go 20 stories below ground. Why so much underground development? Why now? Because the wealthy aren't preparing for if something happens. They're preparing for when it happens. Economic collapse, war, biodisasters, a reset. They'll be safe underground while the rest of us fight for air. And here's the part they don't tell you. Many of these tunnels connect. Airports, military bases, private compounds, forming a hidden network designed for the people who can afford to escape. So ask yourself, why are the richest people on Earth building homes underground? And why are we just hearing about it now? This is just a story for entertainment purposes.